Hey everyone, welcome back to Startup Sparks. If you're in your early 20s, or even if you're just starting your entrepreneurial journey at any age, this video is going to be packed with the startup advice I wish someone had told me when I was 20. I've made mistakes, hit walls, lost money, wasted time, and learned lessons the hard way. But today, I want to save you some of that pain. Let's talk about the stuff that matters. Let's talk about real startup advice no one puts in the textbooks. Start before you're ready. When I was 20, I thought I had to learn more before I could start. Big mistake. You don't need another degree, another course, or another book. You need to take action. The best way to learn business is by doing business. Yes, you'll make mistakes, but those mistakes will teach you more than any MBA. Don't build for ego, build for people. At 20, I wanted to build the next big thing, but I wasn't solving real problems. I was chasing cool ideas. Here's the truth. No one cares about your startup unless it helps them. So ask, 1, who's this for? 2, what pain am I solving? 3, why will they pay for it? If you focus on helping real people, the money will follow. Learn sales, not just code. You might be a designer, a developer, a creative, but if you want to succeed as a founder, you need to learn sales. Selling is not about being pushy. It's about 1, communicating clearly, 2, solving problems, 3, building trust. Whether you're selling a product, an idea, or yourself, sales is your survival skill. And the earlier you learn it, the stronger your startup muscle becomes. The hustle lie. I used to think hustle meant working 18 hours a day, but here's what I learned the hard way. Burnout doesn't build businesses. What really matters is 1, clarity, 2, focus, 3, consistency. Don't glorify overwork, glorify smart work. Your energy is your currency. Protect it. Speed matters, but direction matters more. In your 20s, everything feels urgent. You want to move fast, raise funds, go viral, but moving fast in the wrong direction just takes you further away from your goals. Take time to think. 1, what do I want to build long term? 2, what kind of life do I want with this startup? Speed helps, but only if you're pointed in the right direction. Start small, grow real. I wish someone told me that small is powerful. You don't need 100,000 users. You need your first 10 loyal customers. You don't need to impress investors. You need to serve a niche well. Start small, stay lean. Let the quality of your product do the marketing. So, if you're 20 or starting out now, here's my advice. 1, start now. 2, solve real problems. 3, learn to sell. 4, protect your energy. 5, move with purpose. 6, stay small and focused. The world doesn't need more startups. It needs better ones. And you've got time, talent, and all the tools at your fingertips. So go build something that matters. Thanks for watching Startup Sparks. If this helped you, leave a comment below and let me know what advice you wish you heard earlier in life.